Question: should a stock a swing trader buy or sell this stock? Question: should a stock a swing trader buy or sell this stock? We are on a monthly chart of Copart Incorporation, EPIC CPRT, Charlie Papa Romeo Tango, and we want to discuss should a stock a swing trader buy or sell this stock. Alright, let's get started. We are on a monthly chart. As you can see, I have put on my chart a trend line. How did I draw that trend line? I did connect this high with this one here. Okay, there it is. So allow me to draw this trend line that I'm going to color now into red. All right. So the question is, should a stock a swing trader buy or sell this stock? Now, the first thing first, in order to avoid the trading mistake, we should ask the question, what is the current market pattern? Alright, so in order to know whether you should buy or sell, a swing trader should buy or sell, we should answer, okay, if we should buy, the price should be in a rising channel. If we should sell, the price will be in a declining channel, or the price must form at least the first lower high after a higher high. Alright, very important. So in order to answer that question is that we have now, what do we have? We have a rising channel, okay? So I'll draw a line here roughly here, okay, just to put it there, and here it is. We have a rising channel, yes or no, okay? So currently, okay, remember the 6 biggest trading mistake at dayprotrader.com. So this is it, we have a rising channel. So what's coming to your mind? Should a swing trader buy or sell this stock? Okay, that's a very good question. So we see that the price is in a rising channel, but not only that, the price is breaking above that channel. So what's the meaning of that? Price breaking above a rising channel. What's the meaning of that? It means that the bullish momentum is increasing. Alright? Whenever a stock breaks above a rising channel like this, is indicating to us that the bullish momentum is increasing. Well, should we buy or should we sell? So far, the price did not display, alright, the price did not display any lower high. So here you see there was this high here, a higher high, a higher high. Here we are now, the price breaks above the channel. Is looking more bullish than bearish. Alright? Isn't it? It's looking more bullish than bearish, okay? So, talking about how should a swing trader buy or sell this stock, alright? One thing also you have to see is that each time at the beginning of this trend, you can see we have some volume spike here where I'm moving my cursor. Another volume spike here at the pullback. Anytime the stock pull back, you see another surge in trading volume. Here there was this pullback here, okay, stock went down a bit, another spike in trading volume. So if we say the average volume, talking about the moving average 50 of the volume bar, the average volume was in the region of 20 million share, okay, somewhere in the region of 20 million share. And now we have this volume spike that brought the average trading volume to 72 million share, right, from 20 million share. Now we have 72 million share, 3 times the average volume. Now we see the price breaking above, okay, the channel. So far, there is no indication that we should sell this stock. So looking at the market pattern, all right, because that's the first thing that we need to check to avoid trading mistake. That we have a rising channel and the price breaks above the rising channel. No indication so far that we should sell this stock. So at this point in time, we will be, okay, thinking of buying this stock. All right. Now the next step, how do we buy this stock? So anytime the price breaks above, okay, a rising channel, what we usually see that the price will try to retest either the top of the channel or the media line of the channel. So if the price pull back near the top of pull back to the top of the channel, we will consider that as a bullish okay, setup. All right, and then we will implement a top-down trading method. On the other hand, similarly, if the price pull back all the way to the media line, we will also consider that as a bullish trading setup, and then we will implement a top-down trading method. All right. Another thing you need to be aware of. Let's remove this line. Okay. The prior high. This is the prior high. So this is the new high here. That's where the price is now. That's the prior high right here. So what we need to do, we can also put a line there, the warning line, remember? So we put a warning line. I'll put it here. I'll put it on top of this one instead of this one here. So we will say if the price, pull back all the way to the prior high, which it can, which means you will dip a little bit below the median line, that is also a bullish trading setup. In all cases, we will implement a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method. Monthly chart, daily chart, okay, hourly chart for swing trading purposes. All right, here it is. So those are the scenarios that can happen before we can say we want to buy. There is more. There are more scenarios that I want to talk about. You see the last candle here. This candle now is closed. That's the month of May. All right. We are now in the month of. You see the tiny. Should I zoom into it? Okay, let's zoom into it. Let's zoom into it. Oops. That's all. That's all we can get now. Is that all? All right. Let's zoom into it. You see now. So this is the month of June. This one here, and this is the month of May. So another method that we can use, all right, pay attention for swing trading purposes, is to highlight the high of this candle. All right. The low of this candle. All right, pay attention. So let's use the different colors. I'll use this time pink. All right. Okay, so that's the high and that's the low. Also, I'm going to color it into pink. Okay. All right. And we will also highlight what? The media line of that candlestick bar, the month of May. I'll color the media line into orange. Pay attention, okay? You want to swing trade, you need to pay attention. So, the best scenario, because if a bullish momentum is strong and intact, the price will display a new high, which means we can wait patiently. The price breaks above the high of the month of May, allow it to go a little bit up. You are not the only person waiting for it. All right, you will see. Sometimes you need to be very. So you will put this stock on your bullish watch list, definitely. All right, and you'll be watching it. All right, and sometimes, like everybody else waiting for that, the price will come back and retest the high of this candle, and then find a support there, and then go up. So because we're on a monthly chart, you may see the price going up like this. Sometimes it's better like this. We are on a monthly chart. You may switch, for instance, to the either weekly chart or daily chart. Okay, let's go down. So that's the pink line now. So on the daily chart, you may wait for it to go boom, 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 up, and then boom, 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 down to retest the high of that candlestick bar. And then you see it start changing direction here, all right, on the daily chart. And then you will implement, okay, a top-down trading method. So if you switch to the daily chart, all right, so if you see like this, pay attention. You see that this on the daily chart, it went up, boom, 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 up, all right, and then boom, 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 down on the daily chart. You will say this is a bullish trading setup. Then you implement a top-down trading method. So you may wait, okay, you'll be a little bit patient, all right, for it to change direction a little bit, having difficulty to draw line here. So up, down, and changing direction with one candle or two. Now you see it. Now implement a top-down trading method to trade it, all right. I'm going back again to the monthly chart. So can go above the high of that candlestick bar, display a new high, pull back to retest the prior high, which is the high of the month of May, and then we implement a top-down trading method to take it up. All right. Sometimes the price may not do that, so be aware of that. The price may go down all the way to the median line, which is a very good thing to happen, a very, very good thing. All right, because the median line is the dividing line between the bullish zone and the bearish zone. So here it is, if pull back near the median line and then find a support, boom, up. You implement a top-down trading method here to take it up. You can get, and again, if you don't want to wait on a monthly chart to drop it down, You can switch to the switch to the daily chart. Goes up, come down. But what I will say to you, if you switch to the daily chart and you are about to to take the trade, make sure that the time you are about to implement the top down trading method, that a monthly candle is closing, though you are on a daily chart. The day when you are about to implement your top down trading method, it will be reasonable that a monthly candlestick bar is closed. So here it is, if it goes down with 4 candles, which will be a monthly candle, 1, 2, 3, 4, it goes down. If you're, for instance, you're on a weekly chart, it goes down 4 candles down, that's a monthly candle. To retest it, that's a very good thing, because a monthly candle is closed and the price is also retesting a key level. Because the setup is on a monthly chart, we need to be aware of the monthly candlestick bar. Now, as I'm talking about this now, I need to mention something very important. We are in the month of June now, all right? Very important. I need to mention this to you now for swing traders. We are in the month of June now, all right? So, what is going through your month? So, this is the 6th month of the year. A quarterly candle is about to close. I will be recording another video about how to day trade or swing trade in the month of June. If you are day trading, swing trading, or position trading in the month of June, you must check the quarterly chart, because a candlestick bar on the quarterly chart is about to close. So for instance, what we are discussing here, this month, suppose the price did what I'm telling you now, I pull back to retest it, all right? You will wait at the end of the month, which is also good. And also, the end of the month of June is also the month of, the second quarter of the year. All right? We do the same thing in March. So 1, 2, 3, end of March, end of June, end of September, end of December. Be aware of those 3 months, okay? End of June, 4 months in fact. Yes, end of March, end of June, end of September, end of December, okay? March, June, September, and December. A quarterly candle is about to close. Be aware of those candles. Usually, a lot of swing traders get into trouble. So, for instance, one of the mistakes that swing trader may make is that in the month of June, he or she may open a position, all right? And then, by the end of the quarter, the music may change. The best approach is to wait for that candle, the monthly candle, the quarterly candle to close, and then at the beginning of a new quarter, you monitor the reaction of the price to pinpoint the best place to buy. So the level that I'm showing you here, the high of that, let's go back again to the monthly chart, okay? I don't want the video to be too long. I need to move on, okay? So the high, the median line, and the low. Those are the places where breakable, retest, or breakable, retest the median line, okay? If it goes back below the median line, you find a resistance, well, that's a sell up to the low. If it did below the low and retest and turn around, that's again sell. Top-down trading method in all cases. So to answer the question, all right, should a stock, a swing trader buy or sell this stock, all right? We start with the market pattern. What is the current market pattern? Is bullish. It's a rising channel. The price has also, is the price now above, that channel. Normally, when professionals see something like this, they want the price to retest the top of the channel. They want it to come back and retest it. So many traders, many swing traders out there are waiting that if only this stock will pull back a bit. But some stock can become truly bullish, which means instead of pulling back to retest either the top of the channel or the median line of the channel, the price may go up above the prior high, which is the month of May. In that case, we want it to break above that high to retest and turn around, and then we implement a top-down trading method. But be aware that the price can pull back all the way to the median line of this candlestick bar also. All right? So those are the various scenario setup that can happen, but you want to know where are those key levels. 4986, 4581, 4217, the top of the channel, the median line of the channel, and also this prior high here at 3741. So yes, a swing trader should buy this stock, but a swing trader must implement a top-down trading method to trade it on the edge. Why should a swing trader should buy it? Because the price is displaying high lows, high high, and the current market pattern is bullish. Remember, if you want to buy a stock, all right, you want to buy a stock, all right, as a technical trader, please, my recommendation is that one should always combine the technical analysis with the fundamental. So the next step, all right, in order to swing trade like a pro, you need to go to Google Finance, put the EPIC CPRT, at least check the economy news relating to this stock, all right, very important. So read down, check the economy news, all right, be curious, all right, you don't want to miss anything because money is involved, okay, and also perform Google Assist tests, simple, all right, and then check the fundamentals, and from there you are satisfied. If the setup is ready, implement a top-down trading method to trade it. Though we are on a monthly chart, if you see this on the weekly chart, we will do exactly the same thing. We'll combine weekly chart, 4-hour time frame, 50-minute time frame. If you see this on a daily chart, we can implement daily chart, hourly chart, 10-minute time frame. It makes sense? So the definite answer to this question, yes, a swing trader should buy this stock, but a swing trader should not buy it anywhere anyhow. Should wait for a pullback, okay, at the key level that I have highlighted here in this tutorial. This is the end of this tutorial about okay, should a swing trader buy or sell this stock. Another thing I need to mention is that we see a lot of volume spike. You can see that a lot of volume spike. There's the most recent volume spike is this one here, okay. So from 20 million share, the last one that we have, so this one you can see went up to 73 million share. We have a recent one here. You need to be aware of it. This is in the zone of 34 million share, okay, recently. So you have to highlight, you need to pay attention to that candlestick bar. Which one? This one here. This is where it is. This one. Okay, this is a bearish candlestick here. After that volume spike, the price went down to retest the moving average 50. The moving average 50 is the red line here, the curvy red line that you see on this chart. That's the moving average 50. So the price just pulled back a bit to retest the moving average 50, where it did for the support, and it's now going up boom, 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 boom. That's on the monthly chart. Okay, so if I zoom into it, you see the level of 4986. That's the high of the month of May. So let's go now to, for instance, 30-minute time frame. Here it is. You can see, okay, on the 9th of June 2016, another volume spike here, and now it's breaking above that high of the month of May. So displaying your high. For day trader, you can switch to the 30-minute time frame like this, and you want it to go up a bit on a 30-minute time frame or hourly chart, pull back, retest, or display a new high above this level, and you can also day trade this. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about question, okay, answering a specific question. Should a swing trader buy or sell this stock? The stock in question is Copart Incorporation, a Russell 1000 components. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will record another video to answer your specific question. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon.